Now, this next method, in my opinion, should kind of go without having to be said, but it would shock you when you see how many people don't actually do this, and that's what's going on, guys. It's your man Ed here, back for another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some of the cheapest ways to get out here and get your very first or your next wholesale deal. But before we get into the content, I've got a goal that I'm trying to get, y'all. I'm trying to get to 12,500 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big goal, it's a crazy goal, but it's my goal, and the only way that I'm going to get to that goal is if you all give me the HBO special. What's the HBO special? That's the Help a Brother Out special. So hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm gonna give y'all a second to do that. All right, now let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Now, we all want to get out here and get to the bag, but not all of us actually have a bag to begin with to invest into the business. So I'm going to give you all some methods in this video that's going to give you an affordable way to get out there and hit the market running. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's get into it.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, guys. So the first method that I have for you all is going to be driving for dollars and or hiring house hunters. The decision is really up to you. If you've got the time, go ahead, get out there, do some driving for dollars yourself. Driving for dollars is basically just driving around your community looking for, beat up, abandoned, distressed properties out in your area. You get the address of those properties, you get the phone number of the owner of those properties, reach out to them, put that deal together. Now, instead of you going out there to do it yourself, another way that you can do it is hiring house hunters. I've made a few videos on my channel talking about that in the past, where you go to places like Craigslist, you put up a $7 post in the labor gigs section, and you get other people to go out there and do some driving for dollars for you for commission basis. All right, so they only get paid when you actually get paid, and it only costs you $7 to get a ton of people out there. These are some of the cheapest ways to get to a deal, and also some of the most efficient ways. Very often these vacant, distressed properties in your area, they may not be on anyone's list yet, especially if you live there. You may know that, hey, Miss Johnson and them just moved out recently, so on and so forth, things like that. So hiring on house hunters gives you a lot more eyes in the community, so you really know what's going on out here. It's a great, cheap method to get out there and get that deal. Now, the next method is going to be working with agents. Agents are a great source of being able to get some deals. This is what Jerry Norton talks about all the time when he talks about his double dip strategy. He goes out there and talks to agents who have on market or off market properties, and he makes offers on them that basically matches what he needs it to be, basically. So even if it's listed for 140,000, if you need to offer 100,000 for this deal to make sense for you, you offer 100,000. You will be shocked at how many people will actually take your lowball offers, even when the property is on the market. But I would prefer, if I were you, if you're going to use this strategy, try to go for people whose properties have been on the market for quite some time, because they're going to be more likely to actually want to sell at a lower price at this point. Now, the next method that I have for you, and it's one of my favorite free/cheap strategies to get out here and get to a deal, is going to be calling for sale by owner and for rent by owner leads. These are people that, they're raising their hand saying, hey, I need help, but they're trying to do it themselves. So if they're trying to do it themselves, you reach out to them and be like, hey, John, I like to make an offer on this property. It's as simple as that. And these people, their information very often is online right there available for you to just give these people a phone call on these sites. So this is one of the cheapest ways to get out there and get to a deal. Pick up the phone, start calling people who obviously need to do something with their properties. Now, the next method is going to be doing JV deals. I actually just recently made like a little TikTok video talking about this. Yes, I've been on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Definitely check out those YouTube Shorts on the channel if you're already here on YouTube. But guys, when it comes to doing JV deals, it's really just as simple as reaching out to other wholesalers and asking them if they would be down to do a JV. A JV is doing a joint venture deal, meaning partnering up with another wholesaler and splitting those profits. So if you use my methods and you go out there and you get your cash buyers first, then it's as simple as just going on places like Facebook groups, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. There's going to be a ton of people posting their deals already. You simply just reach out to them like, hey, John, I see you got this deal over in so-and-so area. Is this still available? I think I may have a buyer for it. Are you interested in doing a JV deal? Boom. Before you know it, these people will be reaching out. Heck yeah. They're just trying to get the property sold. So if you come in with the resources to actually get the property sold, it's one of the cheapest ways and also one of the fastest ways to get to that next wholesale deal, guys. Trust me, you want to be getting out here networking with other people and trying to put together these JV deals. Now, this next method, in my opinion, should kind of go without having to be said, but it would shock you when you see how many people don't actually do this, and that's getting word of mouth, actually spreading the word about your business and what you do. Don't be afraid or ashamed or feel like people are going to judge you, because people are going to judge you regardless. If you don't accomplish your goals, you're still going to get judged. So get out there, get some word of mouth, tell your family members, tell your friends that you're out here in these real estate streets, and that if they have a property that they're looking to buy or sell, to reach out to you and that you can help them. Those people will start to tell other people, and it starts to bloom. It starts to get you more and more opportunities. If you're already out here doing deals, make sure that you get testimonials from the people that you have helped in the past. So that kind of spreads the word of mouth. Like more and more people are going to talk. Oh, that's Miss Johnson. I know her. They worked with her. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Things like that. That's how you want it to be. So make sure that you get that word of mouth, get testimonials, talk to your family and friends, and let people know that you're out here and that you can help them. And just so y'all know, like, this is not an exhaustive list, like these are, in my opinion, like the cheapest methods. Like if you literally just have $0 in your bank account and you just like, look, I gotta get this wholesale deal, otherwise I'm about to be homeless type situation. These are some of the cheapest ways to get out there and get it, but it's not an exhaustive list at the end of the day. So let me know what you all think down below. Drop some comments down below of other ideas that I may not have mentioned in this video. All right, so my last strategy for you all is going to be to leverage your social media, personal pages, and groups. Now, social media is one of the best ways to let people know what you're doing out here. So you want to be on places like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, letting people know that you're a wholesaler. You want to be soliciting business on these places. Now, it kind of ties into the word of mouth, right? But at the same time, make sure that you're actually leveraging your social media. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Tell people what you do. You can get little graphics created on places like Canva or using Fiverr. Like, so you can literally get some little marketing images created, like let people know like, hey, we're out here. Go into like some local like buy, sell, and trade groups, or like apartment groups and stuff like that, with people that looking to rent out apartments and stuff like that, or whatever it may be. Like, get yourself into these areas so people can see you. And then, not to mention, as you start to post things on social media, you're creating social proof. Get those testimonials. Put the testimonials on your social media. Actually leverage these pages, because as you do, you'll start to rank higher on Google. When someone searches your name, because you're keeping these pages active, it's going to rank higher on Google and give you a better opportunity to reach more potential customers in your area, guys. Okay, so social media is one of the best ways to get out here, create a presence for yourself, and it's a great cheap strategy to get to that first or your next wholesale deal. So guys, tell me what y'all think about this video. Like I said, it's not an exhaustive list. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you all think about this list, and what other things can we add on to it. What are some other cheap methods to get out here and get some deals? And also, guys, look, make sure that y'all hit the like and subscribe button for more content. Y'all know I post videos giving y'all all types of wholesaling how-to strategies, tips, all types of stuff all the time, guys. I'm trying to get on to like at least 2 videos a week type of schedule. So man, make sure that y'all tune into the next video, like and subscribe so YouTube shows you my content, man. All right. Anyway, though, guys, I appreciate you for everything that you do. And until next time, guys, we are hosts.